Welcome back, day 21. 30 days in the garage. I brought my little brother Ethan here.
Little brother makes me sound like I'm 4.
I brought my brother Ethan here, his normal size. We're gonna try to take this window off of this van without breaking it. Here we go. So I have this tool. You take the wire, you hook it into one handle, and then you hook the other end of the wire onto this stabby tool and you stab it through the glue between the window and the car, and then you hook the wire into the other handle and you kind of like use the wire as a saw and pull it around the perimeter of the window, and it breaks the glue off, and then the window falls on the ground and breaks. Except we did bring some stuff so that did not happen. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah.
What goes in the hole comes out the hole.
Goes in the hole, comes out the hole. Oh yeah, there we go.
Yes. All right, ready?
Ready.
Let's go towards the front of the car first.
All right.
I think you just pull back and forth. Damn it! Okay, let's try again. Maybe we'll do less of a sawing motion this time. All right, that tool sucks. I might be making some progress here. That was a good try.
Yeah, we found one way not to do it.
Yeah.
You know, they say Thomas Edison never failed to make a light bulb. He just found a bunch of different ways not to make a light bulb.
Yeah, that's damn right.
So it's, you know, I mean, yeah, so. Yeah. That's all there is to it, really.
It's wisdom.